How to fix Nano Banana not working. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if Nano Banana isn't working in your Gemini app. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important fixes. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store on your phone and make sure the Gemini app is fully updated. Nano Banana is a relatively new image generation model that's built directly into Gemini, so if you're running an older version of the app, it may simply not show up or refuse to work. Updating the app alone fixes the issue for a lot of people. Now, once the app is updated, open Gemini. Before you start asking it to generate random images, make sure you're using the right model. Tap on the model selector and switch to the 2.5 flash model or another newer model available to you. From my experience, Nano Banana works best with the 2.5 flash model. After switching, type a simple image prompt and check if Gemini generates an image using Nano Banana. If it's still not working, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can stop Nano Banana from loading properly. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, switch to a strong Wi-Fi network. You can also test your internet speed by visiting speedtest.net and tapping on Go. For Gemini and Nano Banana to work smoothly, you'll usually want at least 10 to 15 megabits per second download speed with a stable connection that doesn't keep dropping. Another thing to keep in mind is server load. Since Nano Banana is a brand new feature, a lot of users are trying it out at the same time. When that happens, Google servers can get overloaded. If this is the case, there's nothing wrong with your phone or the Gemini app. Your best option is simply to wait a few hours and try again later. Once the traffic dies down, Nano Banana usually starts working again on its own without you changing anything. So those are the most effective ways to fix Nano Banana not working on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.